Bono alo, Sialito alo, Ninglava Belviro chicken, Bali Badaka, Patamada, Tatia, English Alasingani, Piano to like here. So today let's talk about classroom. Our classroom. What is classroom means? Classroom is a place where we can study our lesson with our teachers. So let's look at this. So firstly, think about that. What kinds of things can you see in your classroom? So this is the picture of your classroom. So look at this picture. Okay, so let's talk about this vocabulary. So the first one is, what is this? A clock. A clock. This is a clock. So normally we have a clock in our classroom to know the time. A clock. What is this? A clock. A clock. A clock. So what is this? A picture. A picture. A picture. So in our classroom, we have a picture, like we have a picture of our headmaster or someone. And then they must be the video, the no, among Holushin, Kuya John at the sign, show Boniru, Shibarbia, Ershura, Virua, a picture, correct? Picture. Picture, picture. So this one, what is this? Clock, clock, clock. This is a clock, clock, clock. Okay, next one. What is this? It is something to put something in it. So sometimes we put the books in, or sometimes we keep the things in it. It is called a cupboard, a cupboard, 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 cupboard. This is a cupboard. So look at this one. So it is something that is really important for our classroom. So this is a board. So sometimes we call blackboard. The same is right. A board or blackboard, blackboard. So this is very important. So they have a book as well, book, book, book. We use different kinds of book in our classroom, and we use exercise book, test book. So we say book, a book, a book, a book, a table, a table. So a table. So to put the books on or to put something on it. And we use table, or we have table in our classroom. A table, a table, a table. And this is a door. So door is, it is at the, let's say sometimes it can be entrance. The video to cut the leak, oh yes, something can ye away about master to car about one around the door, door, door. So this is a wall. Wall. Wall means that sometimes we put the picture on it, or sometimes we draw the picture on it to get an attraction for our student. Is it right? So the cuddly might be a Nayam or no Nayam Bomasui, Bongli, Swelly Sweda Shide, and a Mamogi, Yobonga Guru, Kadikata Shide, so a wall, a wall. So window, window. This is window. So we can shut the window and open the window. A window, a window. Air conditioner, Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Sometimes we say aircon, is right? Air conditioner. Air conditioner. So next one. So next one. So what is this? What is this? This is a pencil. We used to write in our book. We used to write it. A pencil. A pencil. A pencil. What is this? Pen. 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 Normally, the secondary student use pen. ပုံမှန်အားဖြင့်တော့တပည့်တော်တို့ကsecondary ဆိုတော့ပေါ့4-5တန်းလောက်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တပည့်တော်တို့ pen ကိုအသုံးပြုတယ်ဆိုတော့ primary student တွေကကျတော့ pencil ကိုအသုံးပြုပါတယ်ဗျာ pen pen pencil pencil so this is scissor 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 it is really to use that one, but you know, if we do activities, we use that to cut the paper. So, the cuddly marrow bureau, the activities they load a comma, separate yadar, so you know, scissor, don't be right here. Scissor. Okay, next one. Bookcase. 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 So, this is something that we put the books on, or we can say bookshelf, bookshelf, bookcase, both. So, bookcase, bookshelf, bookcase, bookshelf, bookcase, bookshelf. So, let's practice again. So, that one is, I will ask you a question. You can answer first. And I will say that word again. So, the video question in me by my peer. Moluga, Chichi do Yabare, Molu Nawa, video, and your paper here. What is this? What is this? What is this? Right, a clock. This is a clock. This is a clock. Okay, next one. What is this? What is this? What is this? Yes, you're right. This is a blackboard. This is a blackboard. This is a blackboard. So, do you know A do take Balu lesson, Biruga, to get Nabas Kaloma, consonant Piparapia, Power Mahone, Power Saint Bureau, A E I O, shoe, comma, Power Papia, Biroknani, Yambiro, Shembia Pipame. So, this is a blackboard. What is this? What is this? What is this? This is a picture. This is a picture. This is a picture. So, next one. What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. So, I will give you a hint. It is something that we put the things in. How we can call that one? A cupboard. A cupboard. A cupboard. So, Mimalu Swina, BU, one. The cuckoo tell yare, BU, correct? Okay, so how about this one? What is this? What is this? If we live in a room which has air condition. It is really cold and it is comfortable. It's right. တကယ်လို့ကိုက aircon ရှိတဲ့အခန်းထဲမှာနေတယ်ဆိုရင်တပည့်တော်ကအေးလည်းအေးတယ်ပို့ပြီးတော့ကိုယ်ကလည်းသက်သာဖြစ်တယ် So what is this? What is this? Air conditioner. Aircon. So we can say both. Air conditioner, aircon. Air conditioner, aircon. Okay, so how about this one? What is this? What is this? It is something we can use to write. It is something we can use to write the sentences or the words or something like that. What is this? What is this? A pencil. A pencil. Okay, next one. What is this? What is this? A bookcase. A bookcase. A bookcase. Or a bookshelf. A bookshelf. A bookshelf. Okay. အဲ့တော့ဒီနေရာမှာ A နဲ့ AN နဲ့ဘယ်လိုသုံးရတယ်ဆိုတော့အသုံးနှုန်းကိုလည်းဘုန်းတို့နားလည်သွားလိမ့်မယ်လို့တပည့်တော်ယုံကြည်ပါတယ်ဗျာဆိုတော့ပြန်ပြီးတော့ကနောက်တစ်ပတ်ကြာလို့ရှိရင်တော့လေ့ကျင့်ခန်းလေးတွေပြန်ပြီးတော့လုပ်ရပါမယ်ဗျာဆိုတော့ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ဗျာနောက်တစ်ပတ် lesson မှာပြန်လည်ပြီးတော့တွေ့ဆုံကြပါမယ်ဗျာကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်ဗျာ